Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this is week 4 of my Mini Kit Monday for November. And I know I've mentioned it before, but I'm going to go ahead and use the same kit since I had so much for the month of December. And I will have next week a video of what I have left over and what I'll be using. And then I will also have a page that I have made as well. So next week there will be 2 videos for Monday. I absolutely love this blue border, and I was so afraid that it was going to get ruined if I didn't use it soon because it was already gutted whenever I put it into my kit. And why I didn't use it before now is beyond me. But I used it today, and I love this color combination, this blue and a pink and a yellow, kind of a golden yellow. Now, because it's gutted in the back, it leaves a little edge to it so that if you slip it into your page protector, the page that you're going to put behind it might get hung up. So that's why I put washi tape along the edge. And I choose to use a washi tape that more than likely I will never use. The one that I chose was a wider one. And what I've noticed about myself is I'm getting better about using washi tapes, but I really like the thin 1/4 inch wide washi tape. Not a fan of the wider one. I think that one's like a 1 inch. So this paper is the paper that has all the months of the year. And I know that this photo was taken in September. And this beautiful doll with the glasses, little movie star, is my niece's daughter. This is one of the twins. And I wanted to make sure that I had this picture. Very rarely do I have a page that I did with just one of the girls because, well, most of the photos I have are both of them, you know. So, but I thought that this was too cute. She has got such personality. Certainly wanted to capture that with this page. And I am going to personalize it, but I didn't want to do it for this photo because I really, because she is little, she's 4.5. I just don't like to, you know, talk about, like what her name is and where she lives. But she lives far away from me, but she still lives in the state of Texas. So anyway, so I love this photo, and she's making a kissy face, which is a picture that her mom does quite frequently. So I need to get one of her mom doing that and probably using this again. Well, I'm having to do some trial and error on this because I wasn't quite sure what I was going to title it. So I thought I was going to do #LoveForever, but it doesn't stay this way. And I just start playing around. And that's the fun thing about making a smaller kit. I have everything together. And so I just kind of flipped through what I have, and I knew that I wanted to use up these foam words. I do like the #love, but the forever just wasn't, didn't fit me. So I just kind of go through everything, and I'm just trying everything, well, almost everything, and see what fits, what, I don't know. You know how it is whenever you're making a page and you know it when you see it. So far I like the way it is, and I'm just going to play with everything. So if you'll bear with me as I go through all of this, and you'll see it kind of come together. So I knew I wanted to put something in the bottom right-hand corner of the photo where it says love. And someone had mentioned that they wanted to see how I use these see-through frames. And I thought, oh, this is the perfect video for this. I am going to use these. And I have this pink, it's kind of a red color. And there is a white one, and I used it, and then I put it down, and I think I tried looking for it later because it is so sheer. I can't find it. So Anyway, I love the butterfly, and I have lots of butterflies in this kit, because my signature page, it has all those butterflies. So I thought, well, yep, use the frames, use the butterflies, and that little bicycle was just an added embellishment for some interest. It has absolutely nothing to do with anything. Now, I felt that having two of those large butterflies was too much, so I chose to use a smaller one, and this one is wood veneer. And of course, I love this XOXO. It is going to stay there on top of the butterfly. So now, you know what? I am looking for that other frame, and because it is so sheer, I can't find it. So now putting things away, and I thought, well, let me just kind of get rid of some of this mess. And then that what the is perfect because of her face. Oh, found it. There's that other frame. And the thing about using these frames, you can see the adhesive that you put behind it. So I wanted to make sure that I had something on top of the frame so that I could hide the the adhesive that I'm using. So that's why I have the butterfly for both of them. So I know exactly where the butterfly is gonna go. And I really like this frame, putting it at a angle like this. I think that really does add quite a bit of interest. And this white frame is perfect for up here on this pink. You can see it better. It's subdued, but at least you can see it. I wasn't able to see it when it was down on the, by the photo. And then the XOXO, it is just one layer, and because the wood veneer has some dimension to it, I needed to add some foam tape to the O so that it would stand up, because it would have gotten torn or bent or something, and I wanted to make sure that it was, that it didn't get damaged. I'm just gonna toss the rest of that frame. Some people might keep it, but I've got so much stuff, I don't need it, so I am going to trash it. I wanted to make sure that I mentioned all the ladies who are joining this month for the Mini Kit Monday. Now, Becky Bidding, she's the one who started this whole shenanigans, and I am so thankful she did. Because I have been enjoying this and I have been going through my stash. It has been so nice being able to do that, even though I have been doing a few kits with some of other Facebook pages, but nothing as consistently as this. There's also Dollie Boyd and JoJo Kelly and Kathy Feigl. So make sure you check out their uh, channels, and I will leave a link below in my description box. Leave some love, give some thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, so finishing up with these sequins, I absolutely love them. I use Distress Collage Medium to glue them all down. You'll be able to see all of that in the close-ups. All right, guys, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.